Hello, my name is Eddie Tofpik. I'm Head of Technical Analysis and Senior Markets Analyst at ADM Investor Services International Limited. Here is your daily technical analysis of stock index futures. I'll start with the UK FTSE futures. An indecisive spinning top yesterday as the market seems to have run out of speed on its way up after the previous session's reactionary combined bullish piercing line pattern and bullish double. Below, we still have the lower time, currently 74.32, of the September to late November 2021 breached bullish Andrews pitchfork. Plus, just below this lower time, we have the combination of the middle time, currently 73.85, of the bullish shift pitchfork for the same move, plus its partner since October of last year, the rising short medium moving average, currently at 73.90. Overhead, we have the upper time, currently at 76.19 of the bearish shift pitchfork, just ahead of the January 2020 high at 76.26. Overall, it still seems as if the market still hasn't decided which of these two bullish pitchforks it really wishes to follow, whether the acute Andrews or the shallower shift. So far today, a move lower towards the rising short moving average, currently at 74.90, but not really testing it as yet. German DAX futures. An indecisive spinning top yesterday, but an interesting one nevertheless, as the tongue of the market reached up and touched, then rejected the February-based downtrend, currently at 15.518, and recoiled immediately once it did so. Further up, we have a mess of Fibonacci levels between 15.594 and 15.622, plus a projected 50% Fibonacci line of 15.629. Overall, there is still the question out there I'd posed previously, though it is less well defined as time carries on. It is to look at the whole 2022 action so far as a possible bear flag type action in construction. Now, this idea is still just clinging on as an idea. However, I had detailed a provisional target X on the downside in a 14.860 area. Now, this has been achieved, but the secondary target X1 is still outstanding in the 14.400 area. Now, this is by no means a done deal, as it does not look that good a pattern, but it is still there, if only just. I would also add, as a counter, that the action since mid-January is increasingly looking like a possible double bottom, Adam and Adam type. More on this should the idea develop. So far today, well, not much. It's looking like another possible indecisive spinning top right now, though with a slightly longer tail than the tongue made yesterday. E-mini S&P futures. A higher but still indecisive spinning top yesterday as the market was once more capped by the overhead slowly rising long moving average, currently at 44.81. Below, we still have the congestion support from 3 weeks ago in the 43.50 area. This congestion is part of a quite wide area between 42.60 and the 2021 38.2% Fibonacci level at 44.40. I'd also add today the late January to date uptrend, currently at 43.78, even though this uptrend is only a 2-pointer. Thus, this is a wide margin, but nevertheless the market is still being caught between support and resistance. Finally, I note the small double top, or more accurately, the cat's ears pattern, formed over the past 2 weeks. I'm unsure about this pattern, but I will nevertheless give a provisional target X in the 4300 area for the pattern below. So far today, a limited attempt higher towards the overhead long moving average, but then a pullback down to halt at the lesser recent Fibonacci level at 44.40. Thank you for listening. This short version of broadcast gives the essential market patterns and consequences. Please be aware of the risk disclaimer posted with this broadcast. Copyright Eddie Tofpik and ADM Investor Services International Limited. And here comes the final bit.